Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Finally starting to see some rain back into our rather dry May forecast. May starting off the month looking like mid-July. Now back to where we should be this time of year, sitting in the 60s, some scattered showers on and off. And in fact, today so far we picked up just under 1/10 of an inch of rain. You say, well, that's not a whole lot, Stapes. True. However, that is the most rain we've seen since about April 19th. You got to go all the way back to the middle of April before we had about 0.12 inches of rain, and that was the last. Other than that, we had about 0.02 on Sunday, and last couple of days, that's it. Now, here's what we're looking at as we headed towards the rest of the night tonight. We saw the bulk of the rain come through earlier, pretty good steady light rain at times. Now we're still seeing some cloud cover moving onshore, but it doesn't have a whole lot of oomph with it, except starting to see a little area of low pressure, a localized low getting together. That one may bring a chance for some scattered showers later on this evening as we go. I think in the next, let's say, we'll call about 8, 9, 10 o'clock tonight. Most of the activity is up with the stronger area of low pressure, which is sitting off the Washington coastline. So again, that's all going to be pushing up right around Mount Hood and then up in towards the I-5 corridor as you go up into western Washington. A little closer to home, temperatures with the rain and cloud cover, as you might expect, cooler today as well. Sat around 62 right now in Eugene, 63 in Cottage Grove, sitting just a bit warmer as you get down in towards Roseburg. They're at 65. 49 up towards both the Santiam and Willamette Pass. 54 out in Bend, one of the spots. Still seeing a few lightly scattered showers out into central Oregon. So as we go overnight tonight, we're going to keep a mention. We'll put some isolated shower chances in there, but it'll mainly just be mostly cloudy skies. Lows will be fairly mild too with the cloud cover. Should keep us all right around 50 degrees or so. So here's the setup as we head in towards tomorrow. We'll likely continue to see a chance for some showers around. Now again, we've got the softball regionals getting ready to kick off for tomorrow. First game, BYU, and I believe North Carolina at 3, and then the Ducks play. They play Wisconsin, or I may have flip-flopped that. But either way, Ducks play at 6 o'clock tomorrow. Should be able to get most of that game in without seeing most of the showers. So the low itself that's generating all this, we've got a lot of little activity around that. And we're also getting some what we call subtropical moisture. And this is all the stuff that comes in from the Hawaiian Islands. So it's got a lot of water vapor, a lot of water content to it. So as that rides along the jet stream, it will help with the low to kind of concentrate some of those showers in our forecast for most of the day on Thursday. It'll probably be one of the more widespread wetter days that we've seen so far this spring. So here's how it breaks down. A few leftover showers late night tonight. We'll see more widespread shower activity. Now, again, they'll be light. I'm not expecting real heavy showers, but they'll be out there on and off most of the day. Rain should be wrapping up for the most part by Friday morning. Then overall in through the weekend, we've got another slight chance coming up Saturday night into Sunday, but we'll stay relatively cool, and that means temperatures will stay in the upper 50s along the coast and probably low to mid 60s as you head in towards the inland valleys. So isolated showers for tomorrow on and off. See some sun breaks as well. Coast, see those temperatures generally around 56 in Newport and to the upper 50s as you get to Coos Bay and North Bend. Wrapping up Friday morning, and then again, there's that little weak quick hitter coming in Saturday night into Sunday, and it looks like the next chance comes, strongest rain chances we've seen in quite some time, Tuesday night into Wednesday. That's a pretty big area of low pressure we're going to keep our eye on for next week. Could be dropping snow down to the passes too. In the Umpqua Basin tomorrow, isolated showers, temperatures on the moderate side, sitting at around 65, 66 degrees. We'll actually hold those temperatures. Quick bump as we head towards Monday, and then Tuesday into Wednesday, that's when we'll see more showers return. Cascades, isolated showers, freezing levels still at around 6,500 feet. Partly sunny, tad cooler in Bend and Redmond for tomorrow. They may see a sprinkle or two at times Thursday, but that's about it. And then we'll get back into mostly sunny skies and temperatures in the 60s. As we head out in towards the valley for tomorrow, we'll see right around 64, 65. Isolated shower chances, as I said. Do think we'll be dealing with a little bit of rain probably for the early game if you headed out to Howell Field. Ducks, I think, should be okay, but you can't rule out a passing shower or two. But otherwise, Civil War weekend as well. Forecast looks pretty decent for that. But boy, nice to see some rain in the old bucket again today. And we'll get another repeat of that for tomorrow.
Yeah, we can just continue that cycle, please, as much as we can possibly get. Thanks, Justin. You bet.